pump that and pull out the choke, and now I'm just gonna start. You can see there's no motor is not um, even turning. It's turning, but the motor, like the kill switch, is not engaged. But the kill switch is in this button, pushing this kill switch out. So there is a short somewhere, or the power pack, the CD I ignition coil is burned. So it's one of those things. Either the kill switch is bad, or the ignition pack, or the ignition coil is burned. That's why it's not starting. You see? So the motor is turning. I was able to turn the prop, but it just won't start. And even though I have it on switch, on choke, I have the choke on. See, it's not turning. It's not turning. It's not starting. So, got to open this up and see what's going on here. So this is the Yamaha 6 horsepower 2009. It's a relatively new outboard, but it just won't start. Probably the kill switch is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this cover up and then remove the spark plug and try to put the spark plug tester to see if there's any